held ég, súrefni þarna á ferðinni. Á Popp í Reykjavík tekið upp í gærkvöldi á milli klukkan 9 og hálf 10, hugsið ykkur. Næsta sveit á eftir súrefni var íslenska rappsveitin Subterranean.
Velkomin til Subterranean. Yo, when I say Subta, you say Ranian. Subta, Ranian, Subta, Ranian. When I say Subta, you say Ranian. Ranian, Subta. When I say times, you say up. Times, times up. This creativity exhibitor, toxic representative, mass destructive. Live for the music, I buy redder. Sass fuck being undercover. I represent myself, no other. Words of wisdom getting articulated. Your shit is so unreal, I call it animated. You shine for the moment, that's because you go plated. If I was the police, you would be incarcerated. Freddy Krueger, then you being humiliated. Chilling in plastic bags. One, two, Now this is us, Subterranean the boss. The real freaky dust, it's a must. Battle us, you be like dirty rags or even more. Chilling in plastic bags, this is us, Subterranean the boss. The real freaky dust, it's a must. Battle us, you be like dirty rags or even more. Chilling in plastic bags.
Yo, that's the crazy condition, science fiction. I would have it, but I know, so I listen to captivating people, giving me wrong ideas. I would have it, but I see through them. Lies to a men. I know my fucking enemies and beloved friends. I thank them for all the opportunities in life. Without my mortal enemies, it wouldn't be a strife. To get through it, struggle through it. Before I even knew it, I was up about it, showing I could do it, and I prove it. Like I'm for the first victim, fall into the trap. They gotta trap you, fall into it, never coming back.
In fact,
as physically, confidently, mentally, the reality goes beyond people chilling in plastic bags.
Plastic bags. Check it out, this is us, Subterranean the boss. The real freaky dust, it's a must. Battle us, you feel like dirty rags or even more. Chilling
in plastic bags.
Yeah.
Já, Subterranean á Popp í Reykjavík í gærkvöldi fyrir fullu húsu af fólki sem virtist bara fíla þetta vel, þessa íslensk-amerísku músík.